Now, the MMR vaccine has not been available as three separate vaccines since 2009. And the companies have made it clear, at least for now, both Merck and GlaxoSmithKline, who make the combination measles, mumps, rubella vaccine, that they have no plans to offer that as three separate vaccines because there's no reason to, because the vaccine is safe when given in combination. But we'll see how this plays out. I think the other thing that's unconscionable about this is over the past year and a half, we've had the biggest measles outbreak in this country in more than 30 years. We had 3 people die of measles in 2025. 2 of them were healthy little girls, unvaccinated little girls in West Texas, one a 6-year-old, one an 8-year-old. We're having continued outbreaks of measles. We will no doubt lose our measles elimination status. And to do this, to cast doubt on measles-containing vaccine in the midst of our biggest epidemic in more than 3 decades is unbelievably unconscionable. It's just hard to watch this. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is the Secretary of Health and Human Services. He's not being paid $500,000 a year by Children's Health Defense to represent anti-vaccine activists anymore. He's being paid by you and me, taxpayers, to represent the health of this country, and he's not doing that.